right, hey y'all, welcome back. Thanks so much for tuning in. Y'all already know I appreciate y'all. If you don't, guess what? You're gonna know today. Go and get you something to eat on, something to drink on, sit on down and watch this video. Cause today I'm doing me some nails up in here, okay? Alright, so look, I'm going in, I'm using this here Forever Pink. A couple of these here collections from the a couple of these here colors. One is a color, one is a mix from the Forever Pink collection by Nail Factory. And it actually comes with 15 different colors, girl. Cute, beautiful colors. 15 beautiful colors. They come in this little tin can. I'm not gonna show you the tin can because I don't want the light to be on reflecting all in your eyeballs and hurt your little eyeballs over there, okay? But they come in that little tin can thing right there. And again, like I said, it come with 15 of them. All right, so here's all the colors, with the exception of two of them is gels, okay? But here's all the colors. I got the gel store somewhere else, so I don't feel like getting those, so please forgive me for that. But girl, look at all these beautiful colors that this collection comes with. Don't even worry about it, sis. I got you. I'm gonna leave all the information down in the description bar below, so you can go on ahead and get you one of these little collections. I'm telling you, look at that, beautiful. You know, beautiful. All right, so again, I apologize for not showing y'all the gels, but nonetheless, they some beautiful little gels, okay? I'm also going to go in using this Melody Susie 2-in-1 lamp. It's an LED UV little lamp. It's cute, just as cute as a button. But anyway, check it out. This is the manual right here. So go on here and screenshot that, sis, because I don't have the time to be doing all this reading. Not right now. I know I talk a lot, talk too much sometimes, but not today. We're going to go on here. We're going to get started with this little video because I want to do my nails. I got things to do. But go on screenshot this here if you need, you know, some more information on how to work this little gadget. But I'm about to show you. I'm about to give you a little quick demo real fast, okay? All right, here we go. There you go. Screenshot. Melody Susie. Here we go. Check it out. Just as cute as a button. She comes with a C port right here, connector that goes into the lamp right there, like that. Boom, bam, pow. She also comes with your standard USB plug right here. Now you can use a little small adapter to attach to this thing and plug it into your wall, or you can also use this and plug it into anything that would take a USB plug in. You just about know what I'm talking about, right? Okay, yeah, you do, girl. I can't look. Check it out, girl. This thing is just too cute. Pop up just like that. Look at that. Cute as a button. Anyway, there's a button right here on the side. You turn her on like that there, and then the white light, look at that. I'm assuming that's the UV, right? Check it out. But you can put your finger here to change it, because look at that. It turns purple. LED. All right, y'all, come on, let's go and get started. But this is what I'll be using today, so I'm going to put her on over to the side till we get ready to use her. All right, y'all, come on, let's get started. I'm going to go in, I'm going to apply my little nail tips. I'm going to get my nails all cleaned up and good and ready. So I'll be back with my nail tips applied. All right, y'all, in a minute. Okay. All right. Okay, here's the nail tips all applied to my little fingers here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with my little Melody Susie drill. I introduced this drill before in the previous video, so if you want to go check that out, check that out. And I also want to let you know that if you need any information about that little nail lamp that I just showed you a minute ago, I'm going to leave all the information to this drill as well as that nail lamp down in that description bar below, girl. Whether you want to go over there and get you some of that Melody Susie up in your life. Get some Melody Susie up in your life, girl. Anywho, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn her up to maybe about, it's probably too high, but I'm going to go in anyway. About 4, just to buff the shine off. Now, if you're new to using these nail drills, don't be trying to do what I do. You go at a speed that you're comfortable with, okay? Okay, girl, come on. For real, sure. soon.